How to transfer crypto from LBank to Binance Exchange. Transferring or withdrawing crypto from LBank to Binance Exchange is quite simple. Simply open the Binance app first, go to the wallet option from the bottom right, and once you come to the wallet option, over here you'll find all these options, but you want to go to deposit. Now, let's say you're trying to transfer Bitcoin. In this case, you have to search for Bitcoin and copy the Bitcoin wallet address, and the network also you have to choose the one that is available on LBank Exchange. So if LBank has Lightning network available, select that one here as well. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to choose the network within different types, and this is our deposit address, right? So if you're trying to transfer Bitcoin, you have to transfer Bitcoin address. If you're trying to transfer Ethereum, you have to transfer Ethereum address. So you cannot choose other addresses here. So once you copy it, now you can head over to the LBank app, go to the withdraw option, and paste this address and send the crypto to this particular given address. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.